In this video, you are going to learn how to organize your classwork tab. So remember, when you log into Google Classroom, you will first be taken to the stream. You'll want to click on the word classwork, which is right along the top of your screen. And when you do this, you will see the word create. Here, you can see that I've already created 2 topics for my students to see, writing and reading. Now I'm going to create a new topic. And to do this, I click on the word create topic, and I'm going to create a to do today topic. And I'd like to add an emoji before the words to do today. To do that, you right click, and at the top of the menu, you'll see the word emoji. Here you can search for the emojis that you'd like. And I know I want to use the calendar emoji, so I'm just going to click on the calendar, X out, and you'll see that the calendar emoji popped up next to my topic. I'm going to click add, and this will be at the top of my screen. If you need to rearrange your topics, you can do so by clicking on the topic and then dragging it and dropping it off where you would like it to be. So in this case, I would like this writing assignment I gave to my students to appear under the to do today topic. So to do that, I can click on the assignment and I'll bring it up underneath the topic I want it to appear under. When you're creating your assignments for your students, you may want to add a due date. By adding a due date, your students will see upcoming assignments that are due in their Google Classroom stream. And if they click on the calendar icon, they will also see all of the work that is assigned to them and when it is due.